Magandang oras mga kababayan, merong magandang balita dito. Ngayong year-end ng 2024 ay meron kayong matanggap na gratuity fee. Ano ba itong gratuity fee? Ito'y parang year-end bonus na ibigay sa inyo kung kayo'y contractual worker sa gobyerno. Well, narito ang ulat, atin panoorin.
President Bongbong Marcos is granting the release of a year-end gratuity pay for contract of service and job order workers in the government. Based on Administrative Order Number 28, contract of service and job order workers who rendered at least 4 months of actual satisfactory performance of service as of December 15 and whose contracts are still effective as of the same date may be granted a one-time gratuity pay of not more than 7,000 pesos each for fiscal year 2024.
Noong nakaraang taon, 2023, ang gratuity fee sa mga government contractual workers ay 5,000 lamang. Ngayon ay tinaasan ni PBBM ng 2,000, nagiging 7,000, kaya napaka-good news nito. Balik tayo sa balita.
Meanwhile, those who have rendered less than 4 months of service may be granted the one-time gratuity pay on a prorated basis, receiving up to 6,000 pesos depending on the number of months of service. Based on the order, actual service refers to services rendered on-site. However, services rendered under any alternative work arrangement may also be considered and subject to the agency head's discretion and the availability of funds. The order covers contract of service and job order workers in national government agencies, state universities and colleges, government-owned or controlled corporations, and local water districts.
Ito, lahat ng government-owned agencies, kahit na mga universities at mga public schools, mga colleges na pag-aari ng gobyerno, meron kayong lahat matatanggap na gratuity fee kung kayo'y contractual workers from 6 months of works down to 3 months. Kahit 3 months lang kayong nagtrabaho ay meron kayong matanggap. Kaya magtanong na kayo sa inyong supervisor kung meron ba kayong matanggap ngayong year-end na parang bonus sa inyong pagtrabaho. Tinatawag na gratuity fee. Yan ay administrative order ni PBBM number 28 ito na administrative order. Kaya pwedeng magmulta dito ang inyong mga busing na hindi magbigay sa inyo ng gratuity fee ngayong year-end. Alright, napakagandang balita. Balik tayo sa video.
According to the order, the year-end gratuity pay is a recognition of the hard work of contract of service and job order workers in the government. Last year, contract of service and job order workers received a one-time gratuity pay of not more than 5,000 pesos each.
Ayan, so last year ay 5,000 lang talaga ang natanggap na gratuity fee ng mga contractual workers sa anuman sangay o ahensya ng gobyerno, eskwelahan man o kung anuman, basta pag may-ari ng gobyerno na mga ahensya ay yung mga contractual workers dyan ay mayroong gratuity fee na matanggap ngayong year-end. Parang year-end bonus yan, kaya napakaganda. Kaya kung kayo hindi pinagsabihan ng inyong supervisor, ng inyong CEO, ay magtanong na kayo tungkol dyan. Baka hindi kayo mailista sa mga bibigyan ng gratuity fee. Kudos kay PBBM sa kanyang magandang ginagawa. Halos buwan-buwan na lamang meron siyang mga ginagawang pandagdag na mga kung ano-ano na ibibigay sa mga taong bayan, gobyerno man o private individuals. Kaya kudos kay PBBM, sana ay patuloy pa itong pamimigay niya ng biyaya. At hanggang sa muli, ako'y magpaalam na. Maraming salamat. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!